Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be opening up another Funko Pop vinyl figure, this one from the Labyrinth. Number 364. Jareth or Gareth, I'm guessing Jareth, because it's a J. So I'm going to go with that. And again, sometimes people go, no, GIF instead of GIF. So, there's one in a set of 5. I've got 4 of them. That one I'm still looking for. There we go. Folks. Let's open it up. Open the puppy up. Come on. Get open. There you go. This is the main antagonist from the film, played by David Bowie. May he rest in peace. Look at him, looking all... Ooh, fell over there. He got himself his cane. Is that his cane? Is that supposed to be all the way down? How should that be? Whoa, looks like we got some warping here. That cane should be all the way down. Now it's just like pointing at someone. Like, you, over there. What are you doing? Anyway, he's got the Funko dead eyes, but he's got some great eyeliner here. Look at that. Ooh. Rockstar. It's like a true 80s rockstar. That hair, look at this thing. It's like it belongs on, you know, some 80s hair band lead singer. Which I guess, I mean, kind of fits David Bowie. He was a rock star. And of course, you know, everybody kind of emulated his style. Kind of stole a lot from this guy. Ooh, yeah, that is a stiff neck he's got. But it looks like he can do the full Exorcist on him. Yep, there you go. A little bit of trivia. Remember that scene where he's like playing around with that crystal ball and he's like moving it all around? It's not actually him. It is him that's standing there, but behind him is a guy. Those aren't his arms. It's he's got his arms back, and some guy puts his arms in front and started doing all those tricks. Because apparently he couldn't pull it off. Huge copies. Don't know what that's about. Anyway, looks like he's got the whole 80s, you know, thing going here. He's got that little crescent thing. Belt is all pirate-ish and stuff like that. This guy could have come out of any 80s music video. The movie was great. It was Jennifer Connelly. I think she played the heroine of the movie. This is his... should be his cane, but as you can see, it's a little flimsy. Or is it more like a whipping thing? Can't remember. It's been so long since I've seen this movie. Gray boots. Yeah, everything's kind of fitting exactly the way it should. Great looking figure. I mean, look at these down here. Yeah, you gotta be careful with those. There we go. That's Jareth from the Labyrinth. It was the 30-year anniversary thing. You got another one. The other Jareth has the crystal ball. So, I'll try and get him later. Anyway, if you liked the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Bye.